In this demonstration, we're going to download and install Wireshark on a Mac operating system. This is significantly easier than deploying Wireshark in a Windows operating system environment, and one of the reasons is that we will not be deploying the USB PCAP sniffers. Those are only available in Wireshark on a Windows platform. We always want to download Wireshark from the official Wireshark website, so we go to www.wireshark.org. We're going to deploy Wireshark 2.0, so we select the installer that's appropriate for our processor environment, and in this case I'm going to select for the OS X 10.6 and later the 64-bit installer. Once the download is complete, I can go to my downloads folder, and there it is. I can click on that. We can see that I have downloaded both the installer and a README file. Wireshark 2.0 has been ported to the new Qt platform, which provides a better user interface, allows features to be added more easily, and provides some performance enhancements. And the README file explains that in order to support this release of Wireshark, you need to be running the MacOS X 10.5.5 or a later version. Now that you've read the README instructions, double-click on the Wireshark installer. The Wireshark wizard is very straightforward, so let's start by clicking Continue. The Wireshark software license agreement is then displayed. As Wireshark is open source, you can download it and use it without paying a license fee. And the download is a fully functional system. It is licensed under the GNU General Public License, and it imposes the conditions at which you can embed the Wireshark code into your products. Essentially, it says you cannot embed it into your product and then make money on those products by selling the derived works, and that if you make any changes to the Wireshark source code, you must make it available to other recipients. I encourage you to read through the licensing terms and make sure you agree with them. If you agree, click You Agree. It then asks you to confirm the installation folder, and you can change that location if you want to. We always recommend that you keep the default. Go ahead and click Install. When the installation is complete, click Close. The installation is now complete, and you can bring up the Wireshark application.